What do we got?
2017 Tiguan. Auto up, auto down's not working. And a broken switch. Pop the trim, T30s.
T30s.
T30 here.
Two down below.
Two more T30s down here. Pop that guy out for a little more leverage. Put your knee against it. Here's your switch right here. What happens is, see, this is a good one. On the rocker right here, the little rockers start to break. That's when they jam and get fucked up.
Little freshie.
Slide it in the socket, snap it in, plug it in, make sure you have all your mounts. 1, 2, 3, all in. You don't want that staying there. 1, 2 are stuck in the bottom.
I'm still working on that one.
All right, pop that mount. Put them back in the socket.
5 T30s.
4.
4.
Put them in loosely at first. On. Everything's working awesome. All right. Just gonna pop this little cover on over that one. Good job.
That's it?
That's it.
Give me a year, make, model again.
2017 Volkswagen Tiguan.
Windows switch.